Everyone talks about love, but very few people really understand what it means. Love isn't just about romance. It's about how you treat people, your partner, your friends, even strangers. Today I want to share from my own experience what real love is, how to practice it, and why psychology says it transforms your life. So make sure you watch until the end to get all the steps. And remember, this journey starts with you. Do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. Now, let's dive in. What love really means. Love is not just saying I love you. Love is respecting everyone, never making jokes that humiliate, being humble, and giving without asking. If you fall in love with someone, whether a girl or a boy, remember, stay genuine, stay humble, maintain professionalism, and always respect the other person's liberty. Because true love is freedom, not control. You might have heard the famous quote, "The best thing in life is love, and the best of love is when we are loved by someone who we do unexpected from," because sometimes love comes unexpectedly. You don't know where it's gonna come from. That's why it's important to spread love everywhere. You never know who needs it. Treat everyone with respect, and one day your love will find its way back to you. The Psychology of Respect and Humbleness. A research study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology found that people who are respected by others tend to have higher levels of well-being and are more satisfied with their relationships. Additionally, studies show that humility is associated with greater happiness and life satisfaction. In fact, a study published in the British Journal of Psychology found that humility was positively associated with emotional stability, extroversion, and openness to experience. Openness to experience is an essential trait for people who want to succeed. So if you want to be successful, be humble. In psychology, active listening is considered an essential skill for building strong relationships. When you actively listen, you show the other person that you respect and value their opinion. This creates a sense of safety and trust, which allows them to open up and be more vulnerable. Being humble is another important aspect of attracting and maintaining relationships. When you are humble, you are seen as more approachable and likable. You don't think you are better than others, and you are willing to learn from them. Now, here is the secret truth about love. It thrives when there is respect and active listening. When you listen more than you talk, people feel valued. When you don't demand, you create safety. When you are humble, others naturally open their hearts to you. Respect and humbleness are the invisible language of love. They are felt immediately, even without words. Don't expect, just give. Here is the hardest truth. Don't love with expectations. If you give love only because you want it back, that's not love. That's a transaction. And transactions always end in disappointment. You must understand that if you want to receive love, you have to give love first. Giving love doesn't mean romantic love, but it also includes acts of kindness, friendship, and compassion towards others. And yes, even if you give love without getting it back, you won't feel bad. Psychologists at the University of California conducted a study that showed that people who are more autonomous in their actions and decisions are more likely to experience positive emotions and are more motivated to pursue their goals. In the context of relationships, this means that when you love someone, without expecting anything in return, you are more likely to experience the positive feelings associated with love and are more likely to maintain a healthy and fulfilling relationship. So if you really love someone, give them kindness, respect, care, without asking anything. Sometimes that love will come back, sometimes it won't. But when your intention is pure, you build a personality and aura that will attract the right love into your life. Why liberty in love is essential. We often hear sayings like love is patient, love is kind, and love is not jealous. But do we really understand their meaning? Let me share an experience from my own life. I once had a close friend. We used to hang out a lot, but then she started dating someone. At first, everything seemed fine. But soon I noticed she would often cancel our plans because her boyfriend wanted to spend time with her. I felt neglected and angry. Why did she choose him over our friendship? Then one day we were hanging out. I told her honestly how I felt. She was surprised. She didn't know I felt neglected. After that, things changed between us. Our friendship became more distant. But here's what I learned. Sometimes people change. Your old friends can become different when they find new partners. Can you guess why? Their priorities shift. They have someone new in their lives, someone who has captured their attention and affection. It's natural for them to want to spend time with their new partner and explore that relationship. When that happens, you might feel left out, forgotten, even angry. It's okay to feel those emotions. But instead of blaming or resenting your friend or her boyfriend, try understanding their perspective. Imagine how excited you would feel if you had someone special in your life. Wouldn't you also want to prioritize them? Wouldn't you also want to explore that new relationship? Of course you would. So instead of holding on to negative feelings, try to be happy for your friend. Celebrate their happiness and the exciting new chapter they are experiencing. Be supportive and understanding. Who knows? Maybe someday your friend will realize the importance of your friendship again and you'll be able to reconnect. But if not, remember that true friendship means letting go and allowing your friends to live their lives, even if it means they might not always be by your side. One of the most painful things in love is when someone you care about doesn't feel the same way about you. It can leave you feeling rejected, heartbroken, and confused. But how should you deal with such situations? How can you cope with the pain and move forward in a healthy way? Well, here's what I suggest. First, allow yourself to feel your emotions. Don't try to suppress your feelings. Instead, acknowledge them and let yourself cry, scream, or express yourself in any way that feels right. This can help you release the emotional tension and prevent it from building up inside you. Next, try to understand the other person's perspective. Ask yourself if there was anything you could have done differently, or if there were any misunderstandings that could have been avoided. This can help you gain clarity and objectivity in the situation. After that, take some time to heal and reflect. Spend time with loved ones who support and care about you. Reflect on what you have learned from the experience and how you can apply these lessons to future relationships. Finally, focus on yourself and your personal growth. Set new goals and challenges for yourself and work towards achieving them. As you grow and change, you will attract new opportunities and relationships into your life. Remember, you deserve to be with someone who values and appreciates you for who you are. So don't settle for less. Self-respect first. Another truth. If you don't respect yourself, you cannot truly love others. Self-respect means knowing your worth, setting boundaries, and never letting disrespect steal your peace. It is crucial to establishing healthy relationships because when you respect yourself, you teach others how to treat you. Conversely, if you don't respect yourself, you may attract partners who treat you poorly. Therefore, it is essential to prioritize self-respect in order to build healthy and fulfilling relationships. The power of positive relationships? Research shows that positive relationships can improve mental health, increase happiness, and even boost physical health. According to a study by the Harvard Medical School, having strong social connections is as important for our health as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and not smoking. Another study published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships found that people with close friends and family ties are more likely to be satisfied with their lives overall. The ripple effect of love. When you respect everyone and treat them humbly, you're already spreading love. You may not notice it immediately, but people feel it. Even strangers feel it. And life has a way of giving that love back in unexpected ways. Closing. So if you want love in your life, respect everyone, be humble, give without asking, listen more than you talk, keep self, and never expect, because love with expectation is pain, but love with freedom is joy. Love is not something you chase, it's something you become, and when you become love, it always finds its way back to you. Remember, the journey towards finding love begins with you. So start today and embrace the power of love in your life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful videos like this one. Dive deeper into personal development by exploring our other videos and comment below with your thoughts and experiences. Wishing you all the best on your journey towards a fulfilling life. Take care and see you in the next video.